Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit STL files in Onshape. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what we need to do is import files. So we go here to the create at the top left corner, and then to import files, we need to search for STL file and import it. Units here, we will go with millimeters. Okay, so create a composite part. Okay, let's check everything up right here. And okay, click on import. Now wait a few seconds. And just like that, here it is. As you can see right over here. Now what we can do with it, we can simply making holes into it. So we can do that. Drill, select here like so. Clearance, we can change that if we want, and then just hit it. Okay, so we will need to like that, drilled like so. Change that. We can adjust depth, and then we can just uh, do confirm right here. And yeah, you can, when you import this STL file, then you can edit whatever you want here, and however you want. You can external thread, you can make shell if you want. Then let's say if we do that, and yeah, what else you can do here is you can rip. So you can adjust here thickness. Then you have parallel to sketch plane or normal to sketch plane, and yeah, you can just confirm it just like that. And yeah, you can play around a little bit with different options that you can do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you